Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add an address on your Chase account. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right part of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Profile and Settings. Click on Profile and Settings. On the left side menu of this page, you will see an option for Personal Details. Click on Personal Details. At the top right side of this page, you will see a button for Add. Click on Add. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you could choose either permanent or temporary. So in this video, I chose to add a new temporary mailing address, so I click on the temporary button. Then, enter all the required information. If you click on the permanent button, just follow the on-screen instructions to add permanent address. After entering all the required information, click on Save. That's how you add an address on your Chase account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.